Here is how to fix images not loading in your Twitter or X application. So first, you need to make sure that you have a strong and stable Wi-Fi connection. If your Wi-Fi is weak, try switching to your mobile data, and you can also try turning the airplane mode for a few seconds and then turn it off again. Also check your server status. You can use browsers like Chrome and search for down detector. Go to its official website and check the status of Twitter or X application. Now open your Twitter application, log into your specific account, tap on your profile picture icon from the top left corner of your screen, and from the menu that appears, select Settings and Support and tap on Settings and Privacy. Go to the option of Accessibility, Display, and Languages, and here select Data Usage and make sure that the data saver is turned off. You can also go ahead and long press the Twitter application, tap on the eye icon in the top to go to App Info, scroll down, select Storage, click on Clear Cache, and you can also try clearing the data, but you'll have to log in again. So come back, try for stopping this application and re-enable it again, and you can also try logging out of your account and log back in. If all else fails, uninstall the Twitter application and reinstall using your App Store or Play Store, whatever you use. So that's it. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.